Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants all over the world. I am just trying to bang out the videos today because I don't know what's coming this weekend, so I don't know what I'm gonna get done, what I'm not gonna get done, because it is my birthday month, and like I've previously stated, I don't know how that's gonna go because it's a busy month for me. Quick disclaimer, giveaway down below, future giveaway down below, look into them. Today I have for you, hopefully, what is my last Rocksbox. And I will put all the pertinent information for this down below. If I find a piece in here that I do like, I will be canceling this box. But there will be a playlist down below just in case you are interested. You might have a week to sign up. So let's jump into this. So you have your little pamphlet here, and it shows you the products and it shows you the cost of the products. You have your jewelry. Oops. You have your jewelry care card, and then you have your burrito of 3 pieces of jewelry. So let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is a Kendra Scott little necklace in, Lilith necklace in silver and black mother of pearl for $78. Come in that little plastic wrap bubble, and this is what that looks like. That is pretty. I don't know, that is pretty. I'll have to think about it. I'll actually have to, oh look, I can actually try it on. Here, let me try it on for you guys, because this should be an easy type of yeah, that's pretty. That's a maybe. All right, the next thing I am pulling out here is the Aster Hawthorne cuff in gold and labradorite. The retail price is $70. The cost to me is $59. And that looks like that. I don't know, because of the lighting I have going on, I don't know if you can see those little stones in there, but there are 3 of them. And it's just okay. It's not really my style. Moving on. The next thing I have for you is a Kate Spade enamel lip statement ring in pink for $68. Now, I don't know if I'm actually gonna like this, but when I picked it, I thought it was really cute. So it just kind of looks like lips. I don't know, I thought it was what's the word I'm looking for? Original. So that's what that looks like on my hand. I don't know, it's cute. I don't think it's for me, but I thought it was really cute. When I picked it, it brought me joy. So there is that. I don't know. I'm really trying to quit this box, but the only thing I really like is this necklace. So I don't know, we'll see. Let's see, it would be $78 minus the $21. So I don't know, I'll have to think about this. It looks like, I don't know, I might get one more box. I really don't want to have to do that. All right, you guys, you have a great day. Bye.